It is now my pleasure to welcome Bhante Puratana to share a few words and greetings.
Namo Buddhaya. Welcome you all, and especially Bhante Panyakara, and this make a big changing for especially United States of America, crossing many states and take a great determination to walk into the peace for the national capital city, Washington, D.C. We welcome Bhante and rest of his disciples together, came over there. That's wonderful and more peaceful. This is very feeling more spiritually very rich, very happy. Welcome you. And I've been this temple few times and Texas, and for the Tripitaka chanting, that's a wonderful thing in the United States. We all the monks together, we did, and wonderful place to visit, 40 acres, and they're going to build up around 840 pagodas, 40 acres, that temple. Anybody, if you wish to build up the pagoda, one pagoda, it will be $85,000 value. That anybody can go and see that nice place over there, can build up the Texas. Some country-wise or your own way, you can go and build up for the future. Not only for that each temple had the written down Buddha's word, Tripitaka. And all the Tripitaka, they write it down in the permanently and stone and put it in the temple. And even though future, somebody can see that archaeologically, they can see that information. And Bhante Panyakara is, before he became a monk, he was engineer, smart engineer. Then he became a monk with the blessing of his teacher, Ratana Guna Juda. And he is a very peaceful Bhante. He visiting Sri Lanka and other Asian countries, and under his direction is living that Texas temple, Fort Worth temple, and the other some Sri Lankan monks also associate their temple, especially Kumaragali Nanda Thera and rest of the other rest of the neighbors Sri Lankan temple around. So that's the one of the Nanda Thera suggests when he ordained and Panyakara name. That Panyakara name is my hometown, my Vidyalankara Piruvana. That's a kind of monks community study place that is the famous monk of the Panyakara, Nathanji Panyakara. His name, he's passing away. He's a very smart monk, and that name, remembering for him to keep the lineage for our Sangha community. That's wonderful, respecting that.